Hello, let me show you 5 tips for your camera on the OPPO A18. So first one will be definitely the manual brightness adjustment. So you can just click on the screen and then move this icon up and down to adjust brightness to your preferences. Next, you can also use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. So as you can see, thanks to these buttons, you can just take the photos. When you click on this icon, you will be able to add some filters. As you can see, it is changing the color and the temperature on our photo. And that's a lot of different filters that you can actually apply. Next, you can also go for the more modes, where you can find the Pro mode. In the Pro mode, you can adjust every parameter of the photo, like the white balance, focus range, exposure, compensation, shutter speed and ISO level. And if you want to take the photos with the more details, you can also do this by swiping like that and select this option, 50 megapixel mode. As a default, it's turned off. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.